On this occasion, I thank God Almighty for giving an opportunity to stand here in front of all of you. I thank Him for His blessings on me and my fellow mates. Not less than that, I thank Chairman Sir and Chini Sir for providing us with wonderful lecturers and make us something to be happy for, sir. Thank you, sir. I thank my lecturers name by name, VVRK Sir, BVR Sir, Aziz Sir and AK Sir for being for us and guiding us and filling us with positive vibes. I thank Principal Ma'am for being there for us and guiding us and giving the late updates. I thank our CEO Sir for being an inspiration to me. Our teachers' classes have not just been teaching lessons but also with moral guidance. I also thank my parents for being there for me all the time and guiding me along with my lecturers. The entire faculty and my parents were there for me every time. I highlight the word every time, each and every second. They never left us alone. They were always back of us, or should I say in front of us, like Lord Krishna in front of Arjuna and cleared path for him. I also thank Pawan Sir, my school biology teacher, for giving me a strong base on biology and making the subject dear for me through his lively classes. I also thank Rajendra Sir, Shabir Sir, Mohiddin Sir for making physics a subject of fear to a subject of learning, and from there my lecturer VVRK Sir converting it to a subject of joy and scoring. I also thank Srinivas Sir for lending a hand in chemistry. I also thank Janathan Reddy Sir, Subbarao Sir, Rahman Sir, Kumari Ma'am, Alice Ma'am, Jhansi Ma'am, Shantaraj Sir and my beloved coordinator Balu Sir. People always used to ask me, why do you lose marks in chemistry and score in physics? Actually, I had no reason for this question. Every time I lost marks in chemistry and score in physics. But I should say this, my chemistry lecturer, BVR Sir, found out the reason for my not understanding chemistry and made me to score in it. His efforts were very much. He worked harder than us students. For making the subject easy. In the revision times, he taught us lesson. I repeat, just not lessons, just not topics of the lesson, but the entire lesson many times in a creative manner. Coming to VVRK Sir, when he came first, he said a phrase, eat mangoes but don't count leaves. This strategy made physics easier than I ever imagined. I never imagined that physics could become very easy. New plus one and inter students might not know this. Sir, let me take the privilege to explain this, sir. When you are hungry and see a mango tree, do you count the leaves? Because leaves come first in the branch and then the mangoes? Of course not. You would directly eat the mangoes whether the leaf is there or isn't. In the same way, when you are hungry for answer of the problem, you need to have a formula to get that. You need to derive the formula and get the answer. You need not derive the formula to get the answer. He also used to say physics problems are like dummy patients and you are the doctor. And you need to find and analyze the patient's problem and find the correct solution to it. He is a man with great moral support. He has his own unique and easy way of solving and teaching physics, which I never saw anywhere else. Coming to Aziz sir, he is an amazing person. He never hesitates to correct a student wherever he is or whenever it is. Aziz sir made us move in a correct path without any deviation. He taught us how to be in life. He used to say, it is not the education which should be your first priority, but discipline and punctuality that you should inherit, and education will follow you. He understands students' difficulties and act upon it. Our botany classes was the first period of the day, early morning 7 o'clock. You know, students start coming one by one at 7, 7:05, 7:10. Aziz sir used to wait until all the students come to a class, keeping in mind that no one should miss a single topic because it might be important in the final need. Sir, thank you for your support, sir. Now coming to AK sir, it is true that AK is for zoology and zoology is for AK. He is a man of strategy. he teaches in a way that a single question is not unanswered. I can bet that no questions will be out of his teachings. His classes are purely objective oriented and you come to know or practice a number of questions while he teaches only. He guides a student in such a way that you need not go to other places or websites. His way of teaching is 100% outcome giving. In a few words, they are germs among people. You know, the film will be incomplete if there is no director and producers. One such person is our chairman sir and our director sir. Without them, this full film would not be a blockbuster. I thank them on behalf of all the students who are on this dais for bringing us these amazing lecturers. I bow to you, sir. Sir, if you did not bring our lecturers, surely we will not be standing here, sir, like this. Thank you, Chini sir, for living up to the name of director and directing us. Thank you, Sushma ma'am, for your concern towards us. Thank you, principal ma'am, for being there for us and guiding us and treating like your own sons and daughters, ma'am. Thank you, Ravindra sir, and coordinators for their work for us. Even on Sundays, you came for us, sir, Ravindra sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Kumari ma'am, for your support. I wish all my juniors best of luck for the upcoming NEET exam. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.